Okay, so a little bit of history about this. So the ceremony of christening new ships began in the distant past, and we know that Romans, Greeks, and Egyptians all held ceremonies to ask the gods to protect sailors. By the 1800s, the christenings of ships began to follow a similar pattern. A christening fluid would be poured against the bow of a ship, although it was not necessarily wine or champagne. There are accounts in the U.S. Navy records of 19th century warships being christened with water from significant American rivers. The christening of ships became great public events with large crowds assembled to witness the ceremony. Yes. And it became standard for champagne, the most elite of wines, to be used for christening. The tradition developed that a female would do the honors and be named the sponsor of the ship. And maritime superstition held that a ship that wasn't properly christened would be considered unlucky. A champagne bottle that didn't break was a particularly bad omen. Even more unlucky is renaming a boat without paying homage. Renaming a boat is not something to be done lightly. Since the beginning of time, sailors have sworn that there are unlucky ships, and the unluckiest of all are those that have defied the gods and changed their names. So today we are combining those two ceremonies into one. So for thousands of years we have gone to sea. Our ancestors crafted vessels rowed by Greeks and Vikings, and more recently old collegiate rowers. And we have called these vessels by name. These shells will nurture and care for us through perilous seas, lakes, rivers, and sprint and head race regattas. To them we toast and ask to celebrate Bravo Zulu and the Flying Badger. To the rowers of old, to Bravo Zulu, to Flying Badger. To the moods of the sea, the lakes and rivers are many, from tranquil to violent. She can capsize us often at the dock. We ask that this boat be given the strength to carry on. The skeg is strong and keeps out the pressures of the sea, and will withstand even the mistake of backwards oarlocks, striking submerged debris, and will recover gracefully from crabs. To the sea, to the rowers of old, to the sea. To the rowers of old! Today we come to name this boat Bravo Zulu, which in Coast Guard speak means well done. We send it to the lake to be cared for and to care for me, Amy. We also come to name this boat Flying Badger. We send it to the lake to move swiftly and safely and to care for Jeff. We ask that rowers of old and the mood of the god that is the sea, lake, river, or any other crazy body of water that we row on, to accept Bravo Zulu and Flying Badger as their names, to help it through all rows and regattas and allow it to return with its crew safely and upright. Yes. To the sea, to the rowers before us, to Bravo Zulu, to Flying Badger. Hey!
Hey. That is a waste of good alcohol.
Yeah.